Welcome to Tiny Stars TV! We have so much fun for you!
Come on, kids, sing with me! Let's learn letters A to Z! Clap your hands and dance along! Welcome to the ABC Animal Song! A is for alligator, snapping in the sun. Snap, snap, snap! Oh wow, what fun! B is for bear, big and brown. Stomp like a bear and move around. C is for cat, soft and sweet. Meow, meow, meow on tiny feet. D is for dog, wagging its tail. Bark, bark, bark all down the trail. E is for elephant, huge and grand. Move your trunk, stomp the land. F is for fox, clever and quick. Run through the forest, tick, tick, tick. G is for giraffe, tall as can be. Stretch your neck, 1, 2, 3. H is for hippo, happy and round. Splash in the water, splash around. I to P. I is for iguana, crawling slow. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Here we go. J is for jellyfish, floating free. Wave your arms like the deep blue sea. K is for kangaroo, jump so high. Hop, 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 touch the sky. L is for lion, brave and bright. Roar like a lion with all your might. N is for monkey, swinging with glee. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, up the tree. N is for nightingale, singing at night. Tweet, tweet, tweet with pure delight. O is for owl, eyes open wide. Ooh, 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 through the nighttime ride. P is for penguin, waddling slow, side to side. Here we go. Q to Z. Q is for quail, quick and small. Tip, tap, tip, don't let it fall. R is for rabbit, fast on its feet. Bounce, 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 feel the beat.